Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Kaspa, currently trading around $0.022, currently around 215 on CoinMarketCap. Kaspa has been pumping on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. We're deep in the crypto bear market, but Kaspa has been pumping since when it was launched. Where are we heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? We have seen Kaspa since June of 2022 rally up by more than 100x. Can we continue pumping to higher prices? How long will it take Kaspa to get to that $1 region? We'll also be looking at Kaspa's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll take a sneak peek at Kaspa's market cap, which currently sits around $393 million. Are we going to get to $1 anytime soon? Or do we have to get a huge jump to the downside before we see that pump that will take us towards $1? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, deep in the crypto bear market, all coins are down bad, all coins are dumping to Goblin Town, but one altcoin has been holding on very strong deep in this bear market, and that has been Kaspa. Kaspa is still pumping on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, also on a monthly time frame. This is the Kaspa US dollar price chart. This altcoin was launched somewhere in May of 2022. But since then, we have seen Kaspa trade for as low as $0.0002, and Kaspa has been rallying to higher prices, first giving us a 2000% pump to the upside in just 45 days. That pump ended in September. Then we saw a small dump in price. This dump in price was a 71% dump to the downside. And right now, Kaspa is currently trading at a new all-time highs around the $0.022 level. And Kaspa, since October of 2022, has rallied up by more than 1,600% yet again. Which means if you had invested $1,000 in Kaspa in July of 2022, right now, your investment would have been worth more than $100,000. Kaspa has done 100x deep in the bear market. In just 251 days, $1,000 invested in Kaspa would have given you more than $100,000, and Kaspa is trading around the $0.022 level. So how long are we going to wait for Kaspa to get towards $1? The whole news in the town is that Kaspa can pump towards $1, which I believe it can happen. We can see Kaspa pumping towards $1. But guys, we'll be talking about the technical details of why that might not be happening very soon. As Kaspa continues pumping to higher prices, key levels to watch out for in the coming days and the coming weeks, where we might see this altcoin find some major problems as we're pumping to the upside. First, we might see Kaspa continue pumping to the upside. That one's already certain. We're heading towards the $1 region. The Fibonacci retracement tool is telling us, even though we have some pumps to the upside, we might not get to the $1 region. We might start facing some difficulties around the $0.068 region. But from where we're currently trading right now, for us to even rally that high, we have to see Kaspa rally up by 212%. Remember, this altcoin has been pumping since June of 2022. It's not going to continue pumping forever. At some point in time, it's going to have a huge dump to Goblin Town. When will that happen? I cannot tell you when that will happen. All I know is that, guys, anything that is going up in a straight line for a very long time, yes, we're happy, but remember, Kaspa has given early investors a 100x return already. If you're one of those investors, will you be buying more Kaspa right now, or will you be taking some 100x profit that you are getting rewarded for investing deep in the bear market? Remember, guys, volatility works both ways for all coins. Even though we can easily see Kaspa give us a 200 and a 300% pump to the upside, we can also easily see Kaspa dump back to Goblin Town. And key levels to watch out for if we're dumping to Goblin Town. First, we might find support at the $0.0095 level. Hopefully, if Kaspa comes back to the support level, we might continue pumping to higher prices. If not, we might see Kaspa dump back to Goblin Town and probably find support at the $0.0044 level. And worst case scenario for Kaspa in this bear market, which is very possible for all coins, we might see it drop to the price where we saw it trading in October of 2022. And that will mean Kaspa will dump back to the $0.0013 level. From where Kaspa is currently trading right now, it will have to dump by 93% if we're going to see it dumping back to the $0.0013 region. But as we continue pumping to higher prices, we might see a lot of people continue getting liquidated as Kaspa is gearing up for that huge long liquidation candle we're going to see to the upside. We might even see Kaspa rally up maybe to the $0.21 level, even though that was a 900% pump from what we're currently trading. Kaspa doesn't have a big market cap and it doesn't take a lot to move the market cap of Kaspa. But for us getting to that $1 region, guys, I believe that will be by the end of the next bull run. If Bitcoin is trading around $100,000 and the altcoin market is pumping to higher prices, from where Kaspa is currently trading right now, our journey towards $10 can be very long and be very tricky. Kaspa will need to rally up by more than 4,300%. And I will assume before we see that kind of pump to the upside for Kaspa, there will be a lot of pumps, a lot of dumps along the way, a lot of news narratives. Remember, the fact that Kaspa is giving us a 10,000% pump to the upside doesn't mean we'll just easily get a 4,000% pump to the upside. Past performance is not an indication of future performance. The fact that Kaspa has been pumping for the last 257 days doesn't mean the next 257 days we see Kaspa pumping to higher prices. Even though our target is $1, we still have the presence of mind to know that we might easily dump back to Goblin Town and move around, find support, accumulate before we have that huge pump to the upside by the end of the next bull run. Investing into a long-term game, guys. Deep in the bear market, you want to be investing when Kaspa has the huge pullback back to the downside. When it's down like every other altcoin we are seeing right now, that's when you want to be accumulating, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. The altcoin season index is telling us right now we're in Bitcoin month, which has always been a signal for a good time to buy altcoins. So we might still see Kaspa pumping to higher prices in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Kaspa currently has a market cap of $400 million with a fully diluted market cap of $652 million. If you want to buy some Kaspa deep in the bear market, Kaspa's continuous pumping to higher prices, probably towards that $1 region in the end of the next bull run. You can get some Kaspa on Gate.io, on CoinEx, on MEXC, on Tribit, on TraderOrge, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. I'm sure Kaspa will be coming to more crypto exchanges very soon. It's pumping to higher prices rapidly. It has a maximum supply of 28 billion coins. We have a total supply of 17 billion coins, and those 17 billion coins are in circulation. Kaspa is a proof of work cryptocurrency which implements the GHOSTDAG protocol. Unlike traditional blockchain, GHOSTDAG does not orphan blocks created in parallel, rather allows them to coexist and order them in consensus. The Kaspa blockchain is actually blockDAG. The generalization of Nakamoto consensus allows for secure operations while maintaining a high block rate. Currently, 1 block per second, aiming for 10 per second, dreaming of 100 per second, and minuscule confirmation time dominated by internet latency. If you take a look at Kaspa's performance against Bitcoin, it's showing us huge indications and signs of us dumping to Goblin Town in the coming days and the coming weeks. From June of 2022, Kaspa has been outperforming Ethereum by a lot. We have seen Kaspa rally up against Ethereum and Bitcoin crazily. Just one Bitcoin invested in Kaspa in June of 2022 would have returned more than 61 Bitcoin right now. Kaspa is currently outperforming Bitcoin, but remember guys, anytime you see this kind of 61x pump to the upside, anytime you see an altcoin rallying up by more than 6,000% against Bitcoin over a given period of time, there will always be dumps in the future. There will always be huge crash back to Goblin Town. We might see Kaspa in the coming days and in the coming weeks when altcoins start having huge dumps to Goblin Town, lose more than 50, 60, even as high as 80% of its value. But right now, we're still in the good times. Kaspa is pumping to higher prices. But remember, after the good times comes the bad times. So you want to be taking some profits right now. I've been preaching that message since February when we saw Kaspa breaking into new all-time highs. Right now will still be a good time to take some profits off the table. Guys, all coins can continue outperforming Bitcoin forever. We all buy all coins because we want to see them performing well. Kaspa is also outperforming Ethereum, rallying aggressive to the upside since July of 2022. Kaspa has rallied up by more than 24,000% against Ethereum. I might continue pumping to higher prices, but we have reached that stage of the market where we have gotten that long green doodle to the upside. And right now, even though we might see it have maybe a 20-30% pump to the upside, we're closer to the top than we are to the bottom. And always remember, the higher we go, the nastier we fall. Kaspa's market cap too is in new all-time highs. Guys, it's always a worrying sign when you see a coin new all-time highs on its dollar pairing, new all-time highs on its Bitcoin pairing, new all-time highs on the Ethereum pairing, and new all-time highs on its market cap. Yes, we can continue pumping to higher prices. Yes, we might still see Kaspa rallying in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Kaspa market cap supposed to find resistance at the $400 million level, and we've gotten there. The next target for Kaspa's market cap might start coming, guys, around the $1.6 billion region. From where we're currently trading right now, we can see Kaspa's market cap still give us maybe a 280% pump to the upside. What will that mean for the price of Kaspa towards our journey towards $1? A 280% pump to the upside. We see Kaspa trading at the $0.081 level, and that's where this market cycle might end before we reaccumulate and head back towards $1. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Kaspa heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Right now we're in new all-time highs. Where do you think the top will come in for Kaspa? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2, 3.